In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. To get started, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're inside the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side panel. This is where you'll find the main modules in your CRM. From there, click on Contacts to open your Contacts section. After the Contacts page loads, move to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Create Contact button, and right beside it there's a small downward pointing arrow. Click that arrow to open the drop-down menu, then select Import Contacts. This will take you to the Import Setup page. Next, click Browse Files. Your computer's file browser will open, and this is where you can locate the file that contains the contacts you want to bring into Zoho CRM. Select the correct file, then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Make sure you choose the right file here, since the rest of the process depends on the data inside it. Once the file has been uploaded, click Next in the bottom right corner. Give the page a moment to reload. Zoho will then ask how you want the records in your file to be processed. You can choose to add them as new contacts, update existing contacts only, or do both. Pick the option that matches your goal, then click Next again. After that, you'll move into the module file mapping stage. This step helps Zoho understand how your uploaded file connects to the Contacts module. Complete that mapping, then click Next at the bottom right to continue. Now you'll need to map the fields from your file to the matching fields in Zoho CRM. For each field from your imported file, there will be a drop-down menu on the right. Click each drop-down and choose the equivalent Zoho field. Take your time here, because accurate field mapping helps prevent missing or misplaced data after the import. When you've finished matching the fields, click Save and Next at the bottom right. On the next screen, review the available import options. You can choose whether to assign an owner based on assignment rules, enable manual contact approval, trigger configured automations and processes for new and updated contacts, and add follow-up tasks. You'll also need to check the consent box before proceeding. Once everything looks good, click Submit in the bottom right corner. Zoho CRM will begin importing your contacts. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the import to finish. And that's it. Your contacts will be imported into Zoho CRM and ready for you to review and use.